you get, ladies and gentlemen, it's a disc of the sun and blue sky. No, look what's happened. No, ladies and gentlemen, unbelievable, they've climbed down, they're out of the rig, they're sitting on the top of the wing, their little tootsies only inches from that enormous propeller brake whirling around. They're sitting on the flight now. Yeah, they love it, but that is incredible. Look at that, sitting just inches from that enormous propeller.
Well, I take my hat off to those girls.
To produce, lateral stability rather than target towers back into service with the Royal Air Force.
Yes, meanwhile they went on their extensive flights to Gibraltar.
Taylor on roll as the team go head-to-head in the GB2 cross. Now as the team pull up, you want to watch the outside two. This is blades 2 and 3 as they snap roll left and right. Now if you can, move your attention to the inside two. This is blades 1 and 4 as they hang the aircraft on its propeller before actually falling backwards through their own smoke. Now the smoke is cooled off of blade 1, blade 4 is taking centre stage. Now blade 4 is doing a couple of hesitation rolls there before turning upside down and staying that way. Blade 4 is now going to be pushing up for a negative loop. This is going to be actually throwing him out of the cockpit at over 4 times his own body weight. Now watch as he gets to the top of that loop, he's going to stall one wing of the aircraft and snap roll back down towards the sea. Now as blade 4 recovers from that, ladies and gentlemen, you want to keep your eyes on blade 4 as he pulls up and he's about to invertedly spin the aircraft whilst still going upwards. That's called a launcher back. Into line astern formation as they run back in towards us for a move which we would like to dedicate to all members of the armed forces. This is the Spitfire roll.
for a derry turn. And at the end he's got to turn around for a minimum radius turn. Using full movement. Slow, very, yours.
Version of those same engines also powered Concorde. Bomb doors open. There you can see the capacity of the enormous bomb bay. Lovely aeroplane. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Feel free to wave because they can see you down here. Get those pictures snapping. I can see the bulbs going off down here on the beach now.
Nothing to a Vulcan because, as Robert was telling us earlier on, with all that refueling that went on, we can extend the range of this a very, very long way, in fact halfway around the world.
11,000 pounds of thrust, no, not a total of 11,000 pounds of thrust, ladies and gentlemen, that's just per engine, 44,000 pounds of power.
Yeah, Martin Withers at the controls there with that entire Blackbird crew, I should say. Would you believe he graduated in 1968, went straight on to Vulcans via QFI and JPs, and then went back to the OCU just as the OCU was packing up. But would you believe he was selected with his crew as the reserve for that first raid on Port Stanley? But the first aircraft had a technical failure shortly after takeoff, and Withers and his crew, who were known as Blue